Join me today as we take a look at this beautiful country estate for sale in Potomac, Maryland. This home is listed at $8,995,000. It has 9 bedrooms, 11 and a half bathrooms, and is 22,950 square feet sitting on 2 acres. Traditional has always been my favorite design style because it's timeless. A traditional home never goes out of style, and that's what I love so much about this one. Absolute favorite thing about this kitchen is this fireplace. Imagine baking at Christmas time and having the fireplace roaring. That is just, to me, that's a dream. I've always wanted a fireplace in my kitchen. So there is an airplane on the ceiling in the house. So I don't know how you would get that out of there. The same way they brought it in, I'm assuming. I don't know. Would you want to keep the airplane or ditch the airplane? So in this house, you do have your very own basketball court. It makes me wonder if this is a pro ball player's house. I hope you have enjoyed this breathtaking property as much as I have. It truly is special to me. It has such a peaceful vibe to it. I could see myself gardening there for hours. I hope you like this video, and please hit that like and subscribe. I do a new video for you every day. And as always, thank you for watching.